That's a 720 right there. What's up, guys? So welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna teach you how to fix your BMW if it's not starting. And it can really be only two things. Well, I'm gonna show you two things on what they could be, and hopefully this helps. First things first, try to jump start it. Leave the trickle charger or the if you're using another car, leave them running. You know, let it sit for 2 minutes and then try to jump it. So if jumping it doesn't work, what I would suggest after would be to go to the back, pop your trunk, and grab your battery, take it out. I actually have a video on how to do it properly, because again, everything needs to be done a specific way on these cars, and I don't want you guys to mess anything up. So go watch that video first. And this is only if the car didn't turn on when you try jump starting it. Then your battery is probably just completely dead. And what I would do first would be take your battery to AutoZone and have them check if it's fine, and also have them charge it back up, because then you'll know if the battery is messed up, or it could actually be your starter. And I really hope it's not that, because man, it's not that expensive. But if you don't have somebody that can do the job, or if you can't do the job yourself, then that's where the job becomes really expensive. And like, it's annoying because it's literally under the manifold, it's back there. But I was able to do it by myself, guys. So if I was able to do it, I'm sure you guys are able to. And not just that, but I'm gonna show you two clips, and it's just the noise that the car was making. So if your car is doing like these exact same noises and symptoms, then it's probably your starter that went out as well. All right, look, that's what comes up. Shit, what's going on here? All right, I'm just trying to show something. Like, that's the noise it makes, and then the lights go on. See? And the fucking thing don't turn on. So basically, when I put the key in and then I press the start, it tries to turn the car on, but the start is dead, so there's no way to get it going. But another way to tell, other than just by the noise, because maybe your car's not making any noise, would be there's a cable back here, and I'm gonna show you that right now. And I'm also gonna show you how to test it, because you need to test if there's power going to this cable, then that means that there's power going to the starter. So if the starter's getting power but your car's not starting, then your starter's fucked up. You get it? Basically, to get to that cable, you need to remove these covers right here, and it's very simple. Don't be afraid. Pull this back, and there you go, that's out. Then there's another one right here. Let me try to show you. You see the little tab? It goes up. There you go. That was hard. And that's it. And then again, same thing back here. There's another one of these like pull tabs. So let me try to show you. You see it? It's gonna be the exact same thing on the other side. Same thing on this side. There's two tabs that you pull back. So that's one, and that's two. And then there's these two. There's one back here and one in the front. And that's it. Once you take this cover off right here, it exposes this white little box, and inside there is the cable that we need, the one that we're gonna actually poke with a tester to make sure that it has running electricity. So to get to it, we have to remove this piece actually, and it's actually pretty simple. There's only one 8mm screw right there. There's another one right here. There's another one right there, another one over there, and then there's just, I only have one right here, but you might have two. So now, once you get all those screws out, you should be able to just pop and pull. Once you get that bolt off, which is right here, what you got to do is take the sensor out, and this is very easy. Basically, let me just show you. There's this tab, you push it down and then you pull it back. Just wiggle it. That's it. Sorry, but that's it, just like that. And then just grab your sensor, put it over here. This is the climate sensor that tells you how hot or cold it is outside. Over here, same thing, you just have to push. Let me show you how to do this so you don't break anything. You see these little tabs right here? These, you basically push this out. So what I do is I put this flathead and I just twist it and go down. On all three of them, there's 3 of them. Just like that. And just like that. Once you loosen the bottom part, this cable just falls right out by itself. Pull this back up, and then just, that's it. Now it's completely exposed. So the reason why we got to take all of that stuff off is because it has a locking mechanism. So as you can see, this thing slides back and forth. See that? It has some play to it, and that's because you could lock it and unlock it. Same thing with this one right here. Saw that? I just unlocked it. So now I should be able to, oh wait, no, I forgot. There's also these, so you gotta pull these up. And the way I do it is I do it from the bottom because it's easier. There's another one on this side over here, down here. So same thing, push these tabs in. Like that, this cover is up. You know, it might take you a little bit of battling with it, but once you guys get it up, you're good to go. There we go. And there it goes. Once you take the cover off, all these cables are going to be exposed. I have my test light right here. Go grab one of these from Harbor Freight. They're only like $5-6, man, and they will save your life so many times. So what you're gonna need to do is, as you can see, we're gonna go to the green one. All right, this green one, all the way to the back left wire. It's a white one. And now you're gonna want to put your test light back here on that cable, the white one, all the way in the back left on the green connection. I'm gonna leave the camera here so you guys can see the light go on, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my car key and I'm gonna go try to turn on my car, and if that light goes on, that means that the starter is getting power. So as you saw, that light went on. I had to move locations because they kind of kicked me out of where I was at. But as you saw, the light went on, and if the light goes on, that means that you need to change your starter, because it is getting power, but the starter just isn't working anymore. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them at the bottom and I will get back to you. Also add me on Snapchat and make sure you subscribe, because a lot of you guys watch my videos but aren't subscribed, and I don't understand that.